All right, good morning and welcome back, everyone. So today I'm here in Unicoi State Park here in Georgia, and this is the little gift shop, visitor center, whatnot for Anna Ruby Falls. So Anna Ruby Falls, it's less than a mile. I think it can get kind of steep. It's over 200 feet elevation gain in just this quick little walk, but it's a really great waterfall. I will say, I did this one, I can't remember if it was earlier this year or if it was last year. Marissa and I did this one together, and the waterfall actually closes at 5. I guess it needs its beauty sleep, but yeah, you can see right here, area closes at 5 p.m. So make sure if you're planning this hike, you do it around their open and close times. There is a park fee. It's $6 to park, and I mean, all the normal rules apply, you know. I did check with the visitor center, even though it's not listed on any of the signs, there are no drones allowed on the premise, so I won't be droning today, but I will be at some other waterfalls here in a little while that I can drone at. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead, hike up through here, and go visit Anna Ruby Falls, and see what it looks like before we head out on the rest of our hikes today. So again, thank everybody for coming back. Thank you for the growth. I know we crossed over 500 subscribers. We're on our way to 520 now, but I appreciate each of you, and I will see you at the waterfall. All right, right up ahead are the viewing platforms for Anna Ruby Falls. There's two different falls, two different platforms. We'll take a peek at this first one. So you can see the left falls is the taller of the two. Right one, it's around the corner of these trees. We'll head up there in just a minute. So I read online somewhere that Anna Ruby Falls was named after an explorer, and I believe he named them after his daughters. I'll look it up and put a correction in the video if I'm wrong. I'll go ahead and head around to that second platform. All right, here's the second viewing platform. Almost. I do see the no drone signs now. They were at both of the platforms here. Oh, Much bigger platform. So that's the second falls. Oh, so according to that, the legend has it that a Confederate colonel, James H. Nichols, discovered the falls and decided to name them after his only granddaughter. So I wasn't far off. I said explorer, but you know, I could remember something. Wow. Oh, it's a shame there's no drones. I'm betting that left falls continues up through there quite a ways. It's beautiful though. All right, so that was the quick little hike up here to Anaruby Falls. Get one more good look here. And I'll note that right now we're still in a drought condition, so these waterfalls look great, but plenty of rain, I'm sure this cascade would be incredible. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and mark this one off the list for today. Next up, I'm heading to, let's see, what's on the list? Dukes Creek Falls. That's south of where I am right now. That one's a little bit longer of a hike, but that's okay. This was just a good one to get your legs warm. I will say the upside to this is that it's all downhill back to the car, which is a nice trade-off because usually we're hiking uphill back and you get to the car and you're wore out. So this is a great little stop right here. Like I said, Unicoi State Park, right above Helen. If you're in the area, there's a lot of stuff to do. There's another trail here, the Lion's Eye Trail. That one is handicap friendly, you know, wheelchair and walker, that sort of thing. The whole thing is paved, same like this one. This is all the way back down, it's all paved, and this is well maintained. So if you're in the area and want something to hike that's got a great payoff, this is definitely stop number one. And so I'm gonna go ahead and head back out. I appreciate everybody for showing up at the channel. Thank you guys you guys continue to come back and continue to grow. I'm gonna head back and I will see you guys at Dukes Creek Falls next. Have a great morning.